Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to run multiple Node.js servers locally. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a simple Node.js connection with Mongoose. So if you want to watch the entire CRUD by using Node.js and Mongoose, you can click on the card that is appearing on top. So just open the first Node.js server or the code in one Visual Studio project, okay? So I've just opened it. So you need to also open the another one that you want to open. So just go to search and type Visual Studio Code and open it. And you need to go to files, like expand it. You'll be having file and you need to go to open folder. And I will just select my required Node.js project. So I will go with this one and I will just select folder. Yeah, so this is like Node.js and MySQL. Another one is Node.js and MongoDB. So this is like another code. So the only change that you need to make is the port number. So here you can see, right, in my first Node.js code, I'm having the port number as 3000. So you shouldn't have the same port number here also. So if I just scroll down, here also I'm having 3000. So I'll just change it to 4000. So yeah, so I'll just change it to 4000 and I'm saving it. So if I run it now, so it's going to be node, I think node main.js. Yeah, main.js. And if I go here and again type node main.js, so this time we will be able to run two Node.js codes on simultaneously because they are on the different ports. Okay, so this is how you do it. If you use 3000 on both the things, you will surely be getting an error. So here you can see it on port 3000, so I did change here as well. So this is actually 4000. Okay, yeah, this is 4000 and this is also like running. So here you can see it, this is also on port running and this is also running now. So this is on 4000 and this is on 3000. So just change the port number, guys. So this is how you do it, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in CRUD using Node.js, MySQL, MongoDB, C, C++, Java, Python. So do check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.